Hi there, my name's Jake, and I'm the Pharmacy Technician Supervisor here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today I'm joined by Dr. McIntosh, and I have just a few questions about dog wellness that we're going to go through. First, Dr. McIntosh, what are some things I can do to maximize dog wellness at home?
Jake, so helping your dog stay well at home really means, do you know what normal looks like? If you can check their paws, their ears, their eyes, their skin, their coat, and you know what normal looks like and you know what abnormal looks like, it helps you get in at the right time to make sure that we can minimize any problems that they have. Also, handling exercises are really, really important. So making sure that that dog is comfortable with us touching their feet, touching their toes, touching around their face and their ears, so that when they come in, they're not stressed out when we do that, so that we can look at them without problem.
What can I do to provide my dog with the best nutrition possible?
So nutrition is a really big thing. Making sure that we're using dog foods that are specifically formulated for your dog's particular condition or for your dog's particular life stage. So puppies need puppy food, adult dogs need adult food, senior dogs need foods that are specifically made for senior dogs. But making sure that there's a veterinarian somewhere on staff in those brands that you are using, so that we know that those dog foods have been checked, have been tested, and formulated for what your dog needs.
Are there health issues I can watch out for at home?
Absolutely. Again, if you know what normal looks like in your dog, it's easier for you to pick up on what abnormal looks like. So if they're losing hair randomly, or they're licking or chewing at one spot specifically, you see limping, you see head shaking that's not usually there. A lot of times, if you think you're seeing a problem, more often than not, you are seeing a problem. They can't tell us without showing us. So paying attention to what your dog's behavior is, paying attention to how their normal looks, and then getting them in as soon as you think there might be something wrong. Every day I would rather tell you there's nothing going on with the dog than not see them and have a problem we can't fix.
How do I know if my puppy or dog isn't feeling well or is in pain?
So again, making sure that you know what their normal is, and anything out of the ordinary is always a reason to bring them in or call your vet.
How can I keep my dog from becoming overweight?
So being overweight in dogs is a huge problem, and a lot of times it's us, because they don't have thumbs, they're not going to the food, they're not getting out how much they want. We are feeding them, so making sure that we know how much they should weigh, making sure that we know that we should be able to feel their ribs, that we should be able to see a waist. That's all very, very important, and making sure you know exactly how much food they should be getting in a day. And we know if we're giving other things and they are overweight, we need to make sure we're accounting for that in the diet.
How important is regular exercise to dog wellness?
So regular exercise is really important, and it's almost more important for their little brains than it is for their little bodies. So there are dogs out there that are made to do jobs. There are dogs out there that get really bored and inside a house or inside an apartment, they don't have anything to do, or they're sitting in the crate and staring at themselves and they don't know what to do. So when they come out, they eat your house. We see a lot of dogs with behavior problems, especially through COVID when they were home all the time. But exercise is for the body, to keep muscles healthy, to keep joints healthy, but it's also to keep the brain healthy. So there are smells out there that they're getting enriched with. There are people that they're seeing. There's other dogs that they might be seeing. All of those things are really, really important to keep a happy, healthy dog.
Thank you, Dr. McIntosh.
Thanks, Jake. If you have any questions about your dog, or you want to come and bring them in for their wellness exam, you can give us a call at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. We'll be happy to see you.